Welcome to the beauty of nature, where every detail tells a story. Camera zooms in on a group of ants scurrying about, carrying food and navigating their intricate world. Amidst the grandeur of towering flowers, tiny ants embark on their daily journey. Each step a testament to resilience and cooperation. Behold the vibrant hues of nature's palette as petals sway gracefully to the rhythm of the wind, each bloom a masterpiece in its own right. Transition to a breathtaking view of the sun setting on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the landscape.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for critic, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter.
As the day bids farewell and the sun dips below the horizon, we're reminded of the beauty in every sunset, a symphony of colors painting the sky. Farewell. Cut to a playful dog, frolicking in a field, its tail wagging with joy. And amidst this picturesque scene, a loyal companion finds pure bliss in the simple pleasures of life, a reminder to cherish each moment with boundless enthusiasm. So let us revel in the splendor of nature, where every living being, from the tiniest ant to the majestic sun, weaves together a tapestry of wonder and awe.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. Only thing I did was pick out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty of the natural world.
no more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say.